Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today, I would like to talk about a BTC, what's going on now, and yes, we go straight forward to the main target, what I explained you around here. Let's dive in. All right, guys. Now people react so emotionally again, like something unpredictable happened. Everything, by my personal opinion, pre-planned before. Take a look at the Fed rates. Everybody waited, so they start cut rates. So basically, the people expect they should start cut rate like a year ago. Every single time they think they played the bat. So no, this time they will cut the rate and start printing the money. So this is a stupid pattern in the people brains. I don't know why United States have to print the money. Why? Everything okay in the United States with the money, with the dollars, right? And this is not post-COVID period. It was totally different story, absolute total different story. The money, I explained it to you, the money will inflow into the market, from stablecoins. So they don't need to print the money now, the paper UZ. They got a lot of billions stablecoins will inflow sooner or later into market. And I mark this zone, and I hope we will drop to the weekly. This is a weekly fair value gap. Even I wish to see the 110, the full fill of that gap. So nothing special happening with the BTC. We can move always up because the people are so brainwashed, like every single move up 5%, 3%. We're in the bull run. We going down now. Everybody screaming, no, we're in the bear market. Yesterday I posted, made a video about it. Everybody reacts so emotionally. Oh, we're in the bear market. Oh, we're in the bull run. Every single 4-hour candle. And the Fed rates, it was so obvious. They pushed the price. They put the price down before they release the decision about the rate. They post. After that, the price spike up. Some positive news. Everybody's screaming, no, it's good. It's just the beginning. We going up because they pick a post, and in September or in October, they will start cut the rate and start printing money. It was priced in. It was so obvious. Price it in. It's not about, to be right or wrong, but sometimes by end of the month, we pump it so good on June. We perform so good on June, right? So we closed the June plus 80%. So previously only in the May 11, also not playing out, like sell in May and go away. Not playing out. April 14, and this is a 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months green this year. 5 months green this year. And it's so obvious. I explained it. One of these 2 months, August or September, will be red one. Is it possible to close there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in a row green? Yes, of course. Of course it's possible. That's why I wish to see this drop. We need to close that gap on the weekly. Everybody starts screaming, we go into hell. It's over. The same story being here. It's over. It's totally over. After that, we bounce on 12 time frame, even on 12 time frame. Now the same story. The target still relevant. So with that cut rate, without that cut rate, guys, absolutely, the price will be delivered just because of algorithm, because of seasonality. So would be good to see this test, some consolidation, even a little bit lower, maybe not to fulfill like 112. Start recover back. So in theory, it can be like this type of channel, break the structure and go higher. October, November, everybody's screaming, we go into the moon again. And one more time, the people hop in here in the BTC because at this point will be the media, paid media. Shield you the post from Katie Wood, Jack Dorsey, Elon Musk, maybe the Trump. Everybody we're going to talk about it. We go into straightforward 250K. Confirm it. Every single time, absolutely the same story. Just copy paste. It's kind of weird. The problem with the altcoins, of course, the problem with the altcoins. But what people expecting from the alts, a lot of pump at 100%, 50%, 200%, the Pango pump at 1000%. And people hop into the Pango and the Zora after the pump. I don't know how it works, So people wait unstoppable move up, only. I have no idea how it works, Do I regret so I'm not fix the profit on Algorand? Basically not. Yes, I could fix the profit, but no, I can't know the future. For Algorand, for example, maybe we could skyrocket to 50 cents or to $1. That was more pain if I missed that right, then I'm not realized some profit. So BTC, I'm weighted at 113K 165. So this is it. Today, tomorrow, absolutely doesn't matter. So this move, weekend, for example, this another spike, start form some head and shoulders, climb it up to this hypothetical downtrend line, reject, break. So something like boring months is going to be the boring months. And at the end, we can close the, I don't know, August like maybe -2%, -3%, something like this. If we'll see the capitulation like -8%, all right. So let's check. So this is the first one, right? -8% is going to be here, 106K. Also good. Why not? So, guys, don't react so emotionally. Do you have a plan to buy BTC now or at 113? You can buy it. I have no plan to buy the BTC. So, for what? For 20%, 22% returns? Today, I posted a video about hash ribbons. You can track, maybe hash ribbons will show you the signal about to buy BTC. The last time it showed that signal. And we pump it like 20%, I guess, on the daily time frame. That's why, guys, it's so obvious was to this target. Of course, I have to say, when we pump to 119K, this one, I thought maybe it will not drop. Maybe I'm wrong. At this point, yes. I guess maybe it was wrong idea, but after that, everything playing out like they should play out. So maybe in real time, we're going to see this one. So guys, nothing special for BTC. Don't react so emotionally. Wait this target. You can try open some long position here, but it's kind of big stop loss. Maybe not. 2%. So with the second leverage, this could be like, I don't know, nice one. We go straight forward to the line. Maybe it's, let's say 2%, this one. 4% with a second leverage. And potential targets, let's say 139, 20, 40% with second leverage. Maybe the good trade, maybe not. So the altcoins I'm waiting lower. The ICP I track now are Arbitrum, Algo. Algo I just added to track my position. Glimmer I track. So this is my watch list. I could say the playlist. S&P 500 BTC USDT, Ethereum BTC, BTC dominance. BTC dominance I wish to see at 63 and down. ICP, Glimmer, Algo, and Arbitrum. All right, so this is the targets, guys. Let's double check with my custom set, just local one. I don't know why people react so emotionally now. So finally, here, this is accumulation. Accumulation on the daily. It was so obvious to sell and out. Now we join to the accumulation zone. So I wish to see the accumulation on direction indicator, at least in 12 time frame. The last accumulation being here in March, so 25 on direction indicator. That's why, guys, like conclusion, this one, 50% of the weekly gap, it's more than okay to see. Absolutely, I wish to see this drop, maybe even the full fill. So nice one. Accumulation on ADZ on a daily, weekly. I think we will form, the warranty, the bigger the warranty, because I waited the last pump. The last pump on the BTC, something like this one I wish to see. I don't know, September, October, November, maybe. Something like, maybe. Go higher, and gonna be that top of the top. And new bear market. So it will be the left shoulder head and the right shoulder like usual, and we'll go straight forward to 45K in the next bear market. Is it possible? So this was the end of cycle. Oh, of course possible, guys. Of course. But what's the point? Are you worried about a BTC because you want to buy it at 100K? I'm not. I'm just worried about a BTC dominance. No. Market moon, money power. Market was so overhyped. So overhyped. Now it's positive, but soon will be again the trail. So we need to see some hope, optimism, or even the disbelief. Money power here was a money outflow. You could track everything by yourself. Take a look, guys, once again. They not fix the profit exactly at the top. So it's a myth. So the whales all the time fix a profit at the top. No, here, 1, 2, fixation. 118K, 118K, 227. Highly recommend you go and check the last video about a BTC. A lot of random news. And take a look only now, only now you saw in the media, millions just post like that company start accumulate BTC on reserve. That company starts Bitcoin reserve, blah, 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 all this stuff. At 100K, right? This is the right time to invest. Who posted? Of course, it's a paid post, but it's weird how every single cycle, absolutely the same story, just the same story. And the people follow that story. This cycle is the biggest problem with altcoins. I will post another video, why this cycle are different. So the main reasons. What we can see here, trade on, sell, no signal to take profit or even the buyback. So let's add alert to the buyback on the daily. At least the last, come on, trade on the buyback, triangle up. The last time when we saw the after sell, buyback was here, pump, and here, new all-time high. So maybe this time it will be the same story. No signal to close position or so. Take profit, I don't think so. We're going to test the take profit because take profit line on a 12 time frame now it's 75K. Now, pay buy line 73K, not weekly time frame. So take a look. We're going to test the exit line for sure and drop to middle line. Maybe even we're going to drop to 100K, but I'm not sure. But it's possible. It's possible. It's possible to drop to this area. So now, guys, all eyes on this block. So yes, of course, as you can say, oh, it's a white block. Now let's move like this one. So 119 and first of all, it's 110. So this one, 10K, take 10K range. So I wish to see something like test, consolidation, maybe the full fill and go higher. If not, we go straight forward to 100K and we get a problem. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what do you think about BTC. Are we going down much lower on the 100K or go to new all-time high in August? Share your thoughts. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.